Radhe Radhe everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Smartly Done. In this video, I will provide a brief description of the world's 5 oceans and highlight their difference. You can find a PDF on my Instagram page and blog. Link to these resources will be available in the description box. Let's get started. So if we arrange oceans according to the area, volume and depth, the order will be Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. But if we talk about coastal line, then the order will be Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and then Southern Ocean. Second criteria is total ocean water content. Pacific Ocean contains approximately 46% of the total water, while Atlantic Ocean 23%, Indian Ocean 20%, Southern Ocean almost 5.4% and Arctic Ocean 3.5% of water. Deepest point of these 5 oceans will be for Pacific Ocean Challenger Deep of Mariana Trench. The depth is 10,994 meter, while Atlantic Ocean Milwaukee Deep in a Puerto Rico Trench. Depth is 8,605 meters. Indian Ocean Sunda Trench, also known as Java Trench, the depth is 7,450 meter. Southern Ocean Sandwich Trench at southern end, depth will be 7,236 meter. And the Arctic Ocean, the depth will be 557 meter and deepest point is known as Moni Deep. Pacific Ocean is named after Mar Pacifico, जिसका मतलब होता है peaceful sea. Atlantic Ocean is named after Atlantis Thela, meaning the Sea of Atlas. While the Indian Ocean is named after India because most of the northern part of the ocean is covered by India. It is known as Indian Ocean since 1515. Earlier it was known as Eastern Ocean. Southern Ocean, also known as Antarctic Ocean, while the name Arctic Ocean is after Arctic Circle. Features of Pacific Ocean are Ring of Fire. It is the volcanic zone. Most of the volcanoes are found in this area. Second, Great Barrier Reef. Third is Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Features of Atlantic Ocean will be it is the saltiest ocean in all 5. The presence of Cancun Reef, Bermuda Triangle is located here and Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Indian Ocean's features will be it is the warmest ocean because it lies near the equator. It has measured marginal seas. Submarine fans are also available and Rodriguez Triple Junction. Also, garbage patch like Pacific Ocean is also present here. Southern Ocean faces the major seasonal influence. Drake Passage is one of the most roughest and dangerous waterways, and of course ozone hole. Talking about Arctic Ocean, Kelp seas are only present in Arctic Ocean. Salinity is lowest here. Arctic kelps, Arctic ridges and basins, and radioactive contaminations. These are surrounded by Pacific Ocean is surrounded by in north Bering Sea of Arctic Ocean, south Ross Sea of Antarctica, west Indonesia and east coast of Colombia, while the Atlantic Ocean on north side Arctic Circle, south side Southern Ocean, east Mid-Atlantic Ridge and west North and South America. Talking about Indian Ocean, North Arabian Sea, South Southern Sea, east में Bay of Bengal and West Africa's east coast. Southern Ocean, Antarctic Convergence, South Antarctica, East Southern Hemisphere and West various boundaries. Last, Arctic Ocean is surrounded by North Arctic Circle, South Arctic Archipelago, East में Eurasian Basin and West Greenland Sea. Thank you.